Today's video is milk burfi with milk powder. This burfi can be done in under 10 minutes. So let's begin to know how. Ingredients are 2 cups milk powder, 3/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup ghee, half cup powdered sugar, a pinch of cardamom and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. If you're new to my channel, welcome and be sure to subscribe. If you've missed the Navratri series video, then be sure to check it out. On the card above, in a pan, add 1/4 cup of ghee. Also a huge shout out to Vidushi, Sadik and Shrayu for always commenting on my video. And 3/4 cup of milk. Bring it to a boil in low flame. Once this starts bubbling up, let's add our milk powder in batches. Do not add all at once, otherwise the mixture will start getting lumpier. Stir the mixture continuously at this stage. Please note to keep the gas flame at low throughout this process. After a minute or two, your burfi mixture should start getting thicker and look something like this. At this stage, add half cup powdered sugar. Give it a whisk continuously. Once the sugar starts melting, the mixture will become thin again. Do not worry at this stage, continue mixing. Add chopped dry fruits. This is optional, you can skip this step if you do not want to. Continue whisking. At this stage you can see there are not many lumps and the mixture starts to thicken again. In about a minute or two, the moisture content evaporates and the mixture will become and look something like this. Now our burfi with milk powder is ready. I am going to divide this into half and give a chocolate flavor to the mixture. For that, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Give it a whisk continuously until the cocoa powder gets incorporated. Once the mixture stops sticking to the pan, that means our burfi is ready. Now let them cool for some time. Grease a pan with ghee. This step is important to avoid the burfi from sticking. Now transfer the mixture. I am first adding the plain milk powder burfi mixture and shaping them into square and half centimeter thickness. Now add the chocolate mixture and even out on top. Using a spatula, even out the edges. To this, add some chopped pistachios or dry fruits. This step is optional and can be completely skipped. Press them slightly onto the mixture so they will stick to the burfi. Add a silver foil. This is optional. Let this sit for some time in room temperature. Cut them into your desired shape and size. After making this milk powder burfi at home, you will stop buying them from store. This is super easy, can be done in under 10 minutes and very delicious. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video.